Welcome to a powerful exploration of self-healing, where we look into the incredible potential each of us holds to not only influence but restore our body's health and energy. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind permanent healing, providing you with practical steps and clear guidance to harness your inherent healing energies. Our journey is not about quick fixes, but about genuine, lasting changes that can dramatically improve your quality of life. So let's begin by understanding how our body's energy influences our health and how we can actively participate in our own healing process. Our bodies are not just biological structures, they are complex systems of energy that respond to our thoughts, emotions, and environment. This energy, often referred to as life force or vital energy, is what keeps us vibrant, healthy, and alive. But what exactly is this energy and how does it impact our health? Imagine your body as a network of streams where energy flows through pathways known as meridians. When these pathways are clear and unobstructed, energy flows freely and our bodies function optimally. We feel energetic, alert, and balanced. But when these pathways are blocked, our energy stagnates, leading to physical and emotional imbalances. This is where the concept of healing comes into play. Healing, in its essence, is the process of restoring this energy flow throughout the body. It involves identifying and removing blockages to enhance vitality and promote health. By understanding this, we can begin to see why certain practices, which seem to target the mind or spirit, actually have profound effects on our physical health. Practices like meditation, affirmations, and proper nutrition directly influence our energy flow and consequently our well-being. One of the most powerful tools at our disposal is our belief system. The beliefs we hold about our health directly influence our physical state. It's a concept that might sound mystical to some, but it's well grounded in science. The placebo effect, a phenomenon where patients experience real changes in their health simply because they believe they are receiving treatment, is a prime example of belief in action. But how does belief work? When we truly believe that we can heal or improve our health, our body activates its natural resources to bring about healing. This isn't just positive thinking, it's about setting a firm intention that directs our energy towards healing. Each thought we have creates a ripple in our energy field, and positive healing thoughts create waves that help to clear blockages and restore balance. To harness the power of belief, start by examining your own beliefs about health and healing. Do you hold any negative beliefs that might be hindering your healing process? Replacing these with positive affirmations can redirect your body's energy towards healing. For example, affirming "my body is capable of healing," or "every day, in every way, I am getting healthier and stronger," can be incredibly powerful. These affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, gradually replacing doubt and negativity with belief and optimism. By understanding your body's energy and harnessing the power of belief, you are taking the first crucial steps towards self-healing. This journey requires commitment and consistency, but the rewards, lasting health and vitality, are well worth the effort. Positive affirmations play a crucial role in healing by directly influencing the subconscious mind. These are simple, positive statements that, when repeated often, help to override the negative thoughts and beliefs that can hinder our body's natural healing processes. By consistently affirming our health and wellness, we encourage our mind and body to manifest these conditions. To effectively use affirmations for healing, it is important to choose phrases that resonate deeply with your personal healing goals. Phrases like "I am full of energy and vitality," or "my body repairs itself quickly and efficiently," can reinforce the belief in your body's ability to heal itself. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before sleep, which are times when your subconscious is most receptive. The key to making affirmations work is your belief in them. Doubt can dilute the effectiveness of your affirmations. Practice mindfulness to stay aware of negative thoughts that might arise and gently guide your focus back to positive affirmations. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining and restoring health. What we eat can either support or hinder our body's energy levels and healing capabilities. Consuming a diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients can bolster the immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote energy flow, thereby aiding the healing process. Focus on incorporating foods that are known for their healing properties. For example, leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds are packed with nutrients that are essential for health. These foods are not just fuel, they provide the necessary components for your body to repair tissue, fight off infections, and maintain optimal energy levels. Hydration is equally important. Water is crucial for every cellular process in our body, including the healing process. Ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to help your body flush out toxins and carry nutrients to where they are needed most. By combining the power of positive affirmations with a healing secret diet, you create a solid foundation on which your body can build and sustain good health. This approach not only supports physical healing, but also contributes to a more energetic and vibrant life. Meditation and mindfulness are essential tools for healing, serving as methods to calm the mind and restore balance to the body's energy systems. Regular meditation helps decrease stress, which is a common hindrance to the healing process. It allows the body to shift from the stress-induced fight or flight mode to a calm rest and repair state where healing is naturally optimized. Starting a meditation practice can be simple. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. This practice helps to center your thoughts and reduce the mental clutter that often prevents a clear and focused mind. Over time, as your meditation practice deepens, you may notice an enhanced ability to concentrate and a greater sense of physical and emotional well-being. Physical activity is another cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle that supports healing. Engaging in regular, moderate exercise can improve circulation, boost immune function, and enhance your overall energy levels. Exercise doesn't have to be strenuous to be beneficial. Even gentle forms of exercise like walking, yoga, or Tai Chi can significantly impact your health by enhancing energy flow and reducing stress. To incorporate exercise into your healing regimen, choose activities that you enjoy and that feel good to your body. The key is consistency and enjoyment, which help maintain the routine over the long term. Regular physical activity not only strengthens the body, but also elevates your mood and supports the body's natural healing capabilities by keeping the energy flowing smoothly. Sleep is a fundamental component of the healing process. It is during sleep that our bodies undergo repair and rejuvenation. Good quality sleep strengthens the immune system, balances hormone levels, and supports neurological function, all of which are essential for effective healing. To improve your sleep quality, establish a regular bedtime routine and create a restful environment. Reduce exposure to electronic devices before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. Consider incorporating soothing activities in the evening, like reading or listening to calm music, which can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Reducing the intake of toxins is crucial for enhancing your body's healing energy. Toxins from processed foods, chemicals in household products, and pollution can all impede your body's natural ability to heal by burdening your liver and kidneys, which are essential organs for detoxification. To minimize toxin exposure, opt for organic foods when possible to reduce the ingestion of pesticides and chemicals. Also, consider using natural cleaning and personal care products to decrease the amount of chemical exposure in your daily environment. Drinking plenty of water and consuming foods rich in antioxidants can further help your body in flushing out toxins and maintaining a healthy state. Having a supportive environment can significantly influence your ability to heal and maintain good health. Human connection can provide emotional support and decrease stress, which in turn enhances your body's healing capabilities. Cultivating a supportive network isn't about quantity, but about quality of interactions that encourage and uplift you. To build a support system, seek relationships that are positive and nurturing. Engage with groups, whether local or online, that share your interest in healthy living. Such connections can provide motivation and insight, which are valuable during times when your healing journey feels challenging. Remember, support can also come from professional healthcare providers who understand and encourage holistic approaches to health. Consistency is key in any healing process. By establishing a daily routine that incorporates the strategies discussed, you provide your body with the regular support it needs to heal and thrive. A healing routine might include dedicated times for meditation, exercise, meals, and sleep, all structured around your daily responsibilities. Start small by introducing 1 or 2 changes at a time. For instance, begin with integrating more nutritious foods into your diet or setting a regular bedtime to improve sleep. As these habits become integrated into your daily life, gradually add more components like regular meditation or exercise. Over time, these elements combine to form a comprehensive routine that supports sustained health and energy restoration. While we wrap up our video on restoring and enhancing your body's healing energy, remember that each strategy we've explored is interconnected, contributing to a holistic approach to health. Your journey to permanent healing is personal and continuous, requiring dedication and self-awareness to adjust practices that best suit your needs. Reflect on the information shared today and consider which areas of your life could benefit most from adjustments. Healing is not a one-size-fits-all process, and it is important to listen to your body and respond to its needs. Empower yourself with knowledge and take proactive steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this guide helpful, share your thoughts in the comments below. Which strategies are you excited to implement? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content aimed at enhancing your health and well-being. Remember, taking action today can lead to a healthier tomorrow.